elements for which the volume is mean height times the base area. We have this truncated right circular cylinder now. So find the volume of a truncated right cylinder of base radius 12 centimeters. The shortest and longest elements are 18 centimeters and 22 centimeters respectively. So first we draw a right cylinder. Then we pass a plane onto the cylinder. Disregard the upper part class. This is now the top base of the solid. So this is the longest element equal to 22. This is the shortest element equal to 18. The base radius is 12. So for its volume, its mean height times the base area. So for the mean height, that would be 22 plus 18 over 2. The base area, this is a circle class. So it's pi, base is 12 squared. Kindly complete for the volume. Volume is equal to volume class. Come on, complete for the volume. Volume is
2,800, 2,047. 9,047.
9,047.79. This is in cubic centimeters, okay? Involving a truncated right circular cylinder. So in a truncated right circular cylinder, the top plane makes an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal, and the shortest and longest elements are 4 and 10 units respectively. Find the volume of the solid. So this one is a truncated right circular cylinder. The top plane makes an angle of 60 degrees with the horizontal. Then the shortest and longest elements are 4 and 10 units respectively. So find the volume of the solid class. What's the difference here? So if this is 10, this has 4, this then equal to 6 class. Okay? I'll draw the figure class. Let this be 4 instead. So this now 6. Okay? This has 60 degrees. So we may complete for the diameter of the cylinder. This angle is 60 degrees. This is 6. We represent this by D. Okay? So there's this right triangle form, so we may consider taking ratio here. That would be tangent 60 degrees is equal to 6 over D. So D is 6 over tangent 60 degrees. What is D class? 2
Square root of 3.
square root of 3. And for the radius, diameter divided by 2. So 2 times square root of 3 over square root of over 2 rather. So this is now square root of 3. So we may now compute for the volume of this cylinder, truncated cylinder, where volume is mean height times the base area. The mean height as 10 plus 4 divided by 2 times the base area. It's pi, the radius is square root of 3 squared. So what's the volume, class? 65.97
97.
cubic units.